What is up, you guys? I actually just made this video, and then I go back and edit it, and I can't hear the audio. So, not too happy about that. But I'm gonna bring you guys through the recap and the trade I took today. Absolutely banked. I made about $350 in 5 minutes. So absolutely blessed. All glory to God. And yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys through the trade, what I took the trade, how I took the trade, how I felt, etc. And yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so coming in the morning, we had this absolute Keandre candle. This was due to tariffs, I believe. I think it was like 145% to like 35% or 35% to 145%, something like that. And it absolutely blew the market up. And we took out this buy side. But I kind of want to bring you guys through this new week opening gap. We create this new week opening gap and we don't draw into it. So you could say this is a good draw on liquidity later. But we took out Asia highs and we created higher highs, higher lows. We make this Keandre candle. We don't rebalance. This is just kind of like we rebalance, but we don't rebalance back to equilibrium or like back to any inefficiency. And we start to show higher prices. And what happens is we take out London highs and we take out this high again. We manipulate this high. We have an SMT here because we do take out buy side and ES has been lagging for a while. And so I don't really count that SMT, but we do have a higher time frame SMT and we manipulate these highs. And right here, NQ respects this 5-minute fair value gap, and we don't close above this high. So, insinuating higher prices, right? And market opens, and we put in this SMT, right? This is 928, and ES respects a 5-minute fair value gap right here. Sorry. I hate this, dude. Absolutely hate it. As you can tell, ES respects these two 5-minute fair value gaps, actually. And NQ lags does not take out that level. And then we manipulate to the downside, right? And what I wanted to see coming into open was honestly super clean, right? We took out London session highs, and we were showing lower prices. And we manipulate, take out this high time frame key level. Also, we were in this high time frame imbalance, this 1 hour fair value gap. So I think it was honestly super clear of why exactly I took my trade. But hold on. So here's exactly what I looked at, right? So NQ comes down, we take out this sell side level, right? This is a high time frame sell side, and then we tap into this 1 hour fair value gap, and we put in an SMT, right? And I think this is honestly super clean to the upside. ES never takes this level. Sorry, hold on. ES never takes that level, so we have high time frame SMT, and usually what happens is when you have a high time frame key level, like a 1 hour imbalance, right? What price likes to do is manipulate the low, right? So turtle soup this low, and that's exactly what happens, right? So we don't inverse anything, we don't change state until ES takes this level. NQ lags and put this lower time frame SMT, right? So we have higher time frame SMT, lower time frame SMT. We took out sell side. We're in a high time frame imbalance. This is absolutely beautiful to the upside. And I wait for this inverse fair value gap and change state in the 30-second because price is fractal. I can take my model in any time frame, and I am targeting this 5-minute imbalance, right? Because price off this manipulation, like price put in this 5-minute imbalance. So I'm waiting until we tap into that. And yeah, so my take profit was at this high right here. I put my take profit right here, but what happens is ES takes this level before NQ does, and I'm like, okay, well, I want to see price obviously take this level out. I want to see NQ take this level out, but we're in this 5-minute fair value gap. ES is that consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, sounds good. If we have a bearish candle being formed, that's insinuating higher price or lower prices. We have SMT, so I'll just get out, right? I wouldn't want to take my profit, and that was smart of me, and it was a great exit. I literally exited at this black candle because it was a bearish candle. Then we had lower prices, right? So it was honestly a super good read on order flow and price, and yeah, it was honestly a beautiful trade. I think that there was everything played out in my favor, and I kind of want to go through like my checklist on what I look like in the Forever model and what exactly I look for on a trade like this, and how I take it as A+, A-, A, kind of stuff like that. But so here's my model checklist. So we did have manipulation. We manipulated, took out that sell side level. We also played inside of that 1 hour for value gap. We had higher time frame SMT. We turtle soup those lows, creating lower time frame SMT as well. Inverse fair value gap. We also had momentum through that displacement. So as soon as we put on, as soon as ES turtle soup those lows, we had momentum through that. inverse fair value gap on the 30-second. We also changed state. We had full momentum right here. We had change in state. We were in discount of the range right here, as you can tell on the gold back. This is 0.5 right here. This red line is 0.5 right there, and we rejected off that, and we were also in discount. And then we were favoring the overall drawn liquidity. I do believe that the overall drawn liquidity is higher. So maybe not today it wasn't, but I think the overall drawn liquidity is higher. So I took my trade higher, right? And I wanted to see that manipulation. I think it played off perfectly. I think that you could have taken this trade off this SMT, but the market did not open, and I wasn't sure which way price wanted to manipulate. If you would have came up and like maybe taken out like a higher time frame key level, like up here, like this buy side, and then put in an SMT and still respected this fair value gap, I could have taken shorts maybe to this 1 hour unmitigated, but I think that this could have distributed a lot higher. I'm not sure why, but we did. This is kind of like a higher time frame manipulation of these lows, and then we show higher prices all the way throughout, and I think higher prices are the move. Maybe this New York opening gaps gets filled up later. But yeah, so that's really all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. But yeah, that's the trade I took today. And yeah, so I hope you guys are just really looking at, you know what I mean, how price and order flow works, and really just taking into account, you know what I mean, that good things take time, right? And I also want to mention that I do have a free training and a free Discord. I will put the link in bio, and you could take my live trades, executes, levels, stuff like that, and really just go through, you know, one-on-one coaching if you want. But yeah, so that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys lock in and just really enjoy the week in trading. Maybe you guys lose, maybe you guys win, but just learn from your wins, learn from your losses, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? God bless.